Good morning to all. So today நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற வீடியோ எவல்யூஷன் யூனிட்ல இருந்து டெஸ்ட் கொஷின்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ அந்த வகையில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஷின், த ஜெனட்டிக் ட்ரிப்ட் ஆப்ரேட் ஒன்லி இன் த ஜெனட்டிக் ட்ரிப்ட் ஆப்ரேட் ஒன்லி இன் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஆப்ஷன் ஏ ஸ்மாலர் பாப்புலேஷன்ஸ். ஆப்ஷன் ஏ ஸ்மாலர் பாப்புலேஷன்ஸ். செகண்ட் கொஷின், Archaeopteryx is a connecting link between Archaeopteryx is connecting link between the correct answer is option A reptiles and birds. Reptiles and birds. Third question, which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? The correct answer is option D, flipper of seal and wings of birds are homologous organ. Flipper of seal and wings of birds are homologous organ. Next question number 4. Which one of the following phenomena support Darwin concept of natural selection in organic evolution? Which one of the following phenomena support Darwin's concept of natural selection in organic evolution? The correct answer is option C, prevalence of pesticides resistant insect. Prevalence of pesticide resistant insect. Next question number 5. What is the correct arrangements of period of Paleozoic era in ascending order in geological timescale? What is the correct arrangements of periods of Paleozoic era in ascending order in geological timescale? The correct answer is option B, Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, Permian. Option B, Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, Permian. Next question number 6. The brain capacity of Homo erectus was about. The brain capacity of Homo erectus was about. The correct answer is option B 900 cc. Option B 900 cc. Next question number 7. Following is the diagrammatic representation of the operations of natural selection on different trait. Which of the following option correctly identifies all the three graphs A, B, C? Following, question number 7. Following is the diagrammatic representation of the operation of natural selection on different trait. Which of the following options correctly identifies all the three graphs A, B and C? The correct answer is option B, stabilizing, directional, descriptive. Option B, stabilizing, directional, descriptive. Next question number 8. First life form on earth was. First life form on earth was. The correct answer is option B, chemoheterotroph. Chemoheterotroph. Next question number 9. The cranial capacity was largest among the cranial capacity was largest among the correct answer is option D, Neanderthal man. Option D, Neanderthal man. Next question number 10. The R.D. Weinberg principle cannot operate if. The R.D. Weinberg principle cannot operate if. The correct answer is option B. Frequent mutations occur in the population. Frequent mutations occur in the populations. Next question number 10. The different forms of interbreeding species that live in different geographic regions are called. The different forms of interbreeding species that live in different geographical regions are called. The correct answer is option C, allopatric species. Option C, allopatric species. Next question number 12. At a particular locus, frequency of allele A, capital A is 0.6 and that of allele small a is 0.4. What would be the frequency of heterozygotes in the random mating population at equilibrium? At a particular locus, frequency of allele capital A is 0.6 and that of allele small a is 0.4. What would be the frequency of heterozygotes in a random mating population at equilibrium? The correct answer is option D, 0.48. Option D, 0.48. Next question number 13. On the primitive earth, polymers such as protein and nucleic acid in aqueous suspension formed the spherical aggregates. These are called on the primitive earth, polymers such as protein and nucleic acid in aqueous suspensions formed the spherical aggregates. These are called. The correct answer is option D, coservates. Option D, coservates. Which of the following evidences does not favor the Lamarckian concept of inheritance of acute characters? Which of the following evidences does not favor the Lamarckian concept of inheritance of acute character? The correct answer is option B, melanisation in peppered moth. Melanisation in peppered moth. Next question number 15. Genetic drift is change of. Genetic drift is change of. The correct answer is option C, gene frequency from one generation to next generation. Option C, gene frequency from one generation to next generation. Next question number 16. The Miller-Urey abiotic synthesis experiment and other subsequent similar experiments showed that the Miller-Urey abiotic synthesis experiment and other subsequent similar experiments showed that the correct answer is option A. Simple organic molecule can form spontaneously under conditions like those thought to prevail yearly in the Earth history. Option A. Simple organic molecule can form spontaneously under conditions like those thought to prevail yearly in the Earth history. Next question number 17. In evolutionary terms, an organism fitness is measured by its. In evolutionary terms, an organism fitness is measured by its. The correct answer is Option B, contribution to the gene pool of the next generation. Option B, contribution to the gene pool of the next generation. Question number 18. Frequency of a character or a mutant gene in a population is expected to increase if the phenotype or its gene is. Frequency of a character or a mutant gene in a population is expected to increase if the phenotype or its gene is. The correct answer is option B, favorably selected. Option B, favorably selected. Question number 19. In a population of a bear which would be considered the fittest. In a population of bear which would be considered the fittest. The correct answer is option D, the bear that leaves the most descendant. Option D, the bear that leaves the most descendants. Next question number 20. Presence of temporary gill pouches in embryos of snake, birds and mammals indicate that. Question number 20. Presence of temporary gill pouches in embryos of snake, birds and mammals indicates that. The correct answer is option B. Common ancestor of these animals had gill pouches. Common ancestor of these animals had gill pouches. Next question number 21. Which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? The correct answer is option B. Proconsul was perhaps the common ancestor of apes and man. Option B. Proconsul was perhaps the common ancestor of apes and man. Next question number 22. What is common to whale, seal and shark? What is common to whale, seal and shark? The correct answer is option B, convergent evolution. Option B, convergent evolution. Next question number 23. One of the important consequences of geographical isolation is. One of the important consequences of geographical isolation is. The correct answer is option B, speciation through reproductive isolation. Option B, speciation through reproductive isolation. Next question number 24. Which of the following in birds indicate their reptilian ancestry? Which of the following in birds indicate their reptilian ancestry? The correct answer is option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option D, both A and B. Scales on their hind limb, eggs with a calcareous shell. Question number 25. Jurassic period of the Mesozoic era was characterized by. Jurassic period of the Mesozoic era was characterized by. The correct answer is option D. Gymnosperms were dominant plant and the first birds appeared. Gymnosperm were dominant plant and first birds are appeared. அடுத்த வீடியோவில் சந்திக்கலாம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.